Okay, so it's how to arrange the redneck Mazda. Yeah. You put this in here. Yep. You take your foot for your feet and then push in the windshield. Yeah. And after, you nettoy the dash.
Yeah, the slush is going into the dash here.
So, it's arrangé. And yeah.
So much water.
So we will start. Oh, gang door. Start. Your ventilation at the foot. And the water. Fuel economy. Yeah. Fuel economy? Oh, this is fuel economy. Third year. Oh, yeah. 5 year. Oh. Oh okay. Shit. Oh shit. Check the RPM. Oh, RPM. RPM. Oh, we put at the side in the third. And you can hear the turbo. Oh, wait. A big turbo. A turbo of a Mazda, no turbo. Tabernacle, actually, it's a big turbo. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. So it's the Mazda in the interior. Oh yeah, it's very cool with the at the 5 gas at the Walmart. Oh yeah, it's a decoration. And this is the house at the fucking school with